go! Come here. Let's go! Let's go! Hey everybody, welcome back to some more Resident Evil 7. And yeah, we are back in the freaking game, bro. Like I'm gonna make this like intro like very short because I'm honestly just ready to do this. Let me check my inventory real quick. I got 3 hills. I got this where it supposed to like shows any type of items that's like around me. So I got that and I got that, and now I kind of know a certain way like what I'm supposed to do, because the last video I did on this game, I was literally getting folded like an omelet. I mean, I was getting thrown on the ground, smacked like an omelet, night. I'm dead. So yeah, we are back in the game, and I'm just ready, bro. I'm just ready, bro. It's no more talking, bro. I'm ready to do this. So yeah, the part where we wasn't even really supposed to go to that part that early. Like I was supposed to go to different parts, or like yeah, like I actually went too early. I didn't have enough like items or whatever, and I got folded. So yeah, that happens. So it should be one right here, right? Alright, so y'all, hold up. I caught the guy who was keep trying to escape. I locked him up in the leftmost infirmary so he can get away, away again. Take him out when he's ready. You know how to open the door, don't you? Just remember, 3 as a... What the frick is behind me? It's like making a weird type of... I don't know. Guys, I am focused, so yeah, I might try to like I'm still gonna try to talk. Okay, that was under there, but yeah, okay, this part right here was actually a puzzle, and I freaking skipped over this. Like I opened every one cause I thought someone was gonna show up or something. More gunpowder. In the thing with gunpowder, what you can actually do with gunpowder, you actually, or this stuff right here, you actually can make like stuff that can heal you, or you actually can make bullets. And what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to make some bullets. And right here, I'm pretty sure the strong one, it actually make like stronger bullets. So I can like switch my ammo or whatever. And no, y'all, I still don't know everything, bro. I still don't know everything, bro. I only know a couple of things, bro. So don't be worried, bro. I still don't know what I'm doing. I think it was like these guys. I actually don't know. I did it. Let's go. Yeah, yeah, bro. Let's get it. Freak. Time for me to leave that room. Yep, right now. Come on. New bullets, bro. These those big bullets this time. That's there. Woo! He is rushing. Yep, I know it. Turn real quick. Turn real quick, buddy. Die. Thank you. Okay, he's out. To change my bullets, I literally only have 2 of those bullets left, so let me try to save them. Cause that room key. Okay, so yeah, I got some keys finally, bro. And y'all, tell me why. Wait, it looks like the other side. Okay. Yeah, tell me why. Yeah, we actually wasn't supposed to go in there so early, and for some reason I skipped this, but we actually can open this up. I didn't even know, bro. Look at this dude. This dude really got his freaking hand stapled. Like, how is your stuff even like active? Like, bro. More ammo. More ammo. Area map. Okay, I got a map for this area, I think. You unlocked it. Oh. Oh, then this actually takes us back to the beginning. Okay, that's actually gonna be pretty useful. What's over here? What's this? Scorpion key. For the scorpion doors. Okay, okay, say less, say less. What's this? Lockpick. Thank you. Where was that even photo? Wait. Another herb, thank you. Is it? Let's go, more ammo. Oh no, man, I don't have no gunpowder. Dang. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Bro, I'm getting achievements all across everywhere. Like, that scared the living crap out of me, bro. You are going to pay for even scaring me like that, bro. No, sir. 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 I missed a bullet. Reload real quick. Don't jump. Don't jump. Die. Die real quick, bro. Thank you. Sit the freak down. Okay, this is for the... Okay, another coin. I still don't know what the coin's for. Like, I don't know, is it gonna be like a slot machine? I don't know what's going on, bro. I really don't know what these coins are for. I'm dead serious about that. Oh wait, did I get more of them? Okay, I actually got 2 of them now. Yeah, I need to go back to the safe room. Okay, I don't got no key for that. It's like a... Dang, bro, hold up. What do I not need? Dang, what can I even do with this right now? Come on. Oh, herb, yeah, let's go, let's go. So that means, give me that. Yes, sir. We are out. Now it's time for me to go back to my the safe zone so I can put all of this stuff back in there. Let's go. Woo! 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 Turn around. Yes, sir. Turn the freak around. No, sir. Ooh, he is coming in hot. Yep. Ooh, he is dangerous. Dangerous. Fight. Let's put the freak down, huh? That's how we do it. We are out. We're out of here. I'm dipping. You know what? Close the freaking door. Let's go. Woo! We are making progress. Finally, bro. Last video got me messed up, bro. That was not it, dude. I don't take L's like that, bro. No, sir. Never again in my life. I'm not taking no L's like that. What is this? Okay. Wait, hold on. Okay, can I look at that photo real quick? Put that in there. Okay, so we actually only have 3. I might as well, you know what? Like, I actually got 3 of them, bro. I should be fine. Lockpick. Scorpion key. Okay. Scorpion key. Actually, I'm trying to think, because it was something. Let me think. Yeah, then this some door right here. Oh. But please tell me I keep the scorpion key. That means I can open all the doors now. Oh, okay. Then this actually goes back here. That's actually a good thing, so I don't have to go one way to like escape this certain area of the house. Please, bro. Please don't let anything jump out on me, bro. Okay, y'all. Hold up. What is this? Is it? I hit something nice here. Try to find it if you can. So right here? Is it on it? Oh. Okay. A syringe? Bro. What is that for? Strengthen must increase max health effects. Oh, so it's an upgrade. Yo, let's go. Yeah, take that right now. It's a freaking upgrade. Oh, say less. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. That means I don't have to be getting smacked. Like smacked 24/7 without barely having no health, bro. Can take a couple more hits. Let's go. That is a W. Oh yeah, lockpick. I'm pretty sure these certain type of containers, whatever, boxes, you actually have to open up with lockpicks to like get in them. What is this? Shotgun shells. I'm putting that right back in the freaking safe zone. So over here. So let me think. I have the scorpion key, so a lot of doors I wanted to go into, I needed the scorpion key, and now I have it. So I'm for sure keeping that. I don't really need this anymore. I already like seen like what was right there. So is that the shotgun bullets back in there too? And yeah, I should be fine. Bro, I still feel like I am not ready to go down there, bro. Did you see how many of those freaking things was down there? Like, bro, it was like 6 of them in one room, and I was stuck. I was getting smacked right and left, bro. That's not happening again, bro. And next time, I'm gonna be more freaking prepared. Like, bro, you know, that was some bullcrap right there, bro. Ain't no way, no sir. But yeah, guys, I'm actually supposed to be going to Miami again, like this week. So that's why I'm trying to like make a couple of videos before like I fully get like you know, be out there in Miami. I'm supposed to be out there for like, I'm pretty sure like 5 days or whatever. So yeah, yeah. So I'm trying to make a couple of videos for y'all before I go. Okay, so oh yeah, that tape, bro. Dang, bro, I need a safe room right now. Cause yeah, I wanted to see what was that tape.
You're part of the family now.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not a part of your family at all, bro. I don't even know you, bro. This dude is wild. Whoa! Turn around. This dude, I tell you, bro. I didn't even know he was still roaming. No, sir. No, sir. I don't even know what you just said, bro. I don't care, bro. It's time for me to head out. You got me messed up. Woo! Gotta go. Right now. Down these stairs. He out. Let's get it.
You know what they say. Once family, always.
Where even are you, bro? You know what? I don't care where you are, bro. Skip you. I have to go up here, but I have to like sneak around or something because I don't know where this dude is at. Whoa! Gotta go, bro. I know you do. I'm going right back up here. He is for sure behind me. Bro, thank you for pushing me this way. Cause I was for sure gonna be in the dead end if you didn't push me, so thank you. I'm right back up these stairs. Or you know what? Open door. Woo! Don't care. Bro, can you just leave me alone? Like, dude, like, going somewhere, bro. I don't have time for you, bro. I don't. I'm sorry to tell you. Alright. I don't know where he just went. He's just standing right there, bro. Please tell me he actually can't mess with me while I'm, like, watching the stage. Ethan, please watch this. Okay, I'm watching it right now. Let's get it. 2017. Can you, like, play the tape? Bro, I'm like, sorry, y'all, but I'm just like in the mood right now, bro. I'm fully focused, dude. Whoa.
Ethan, if you find this, I know I can't expect anything from you. Not after what happened. After what I did. But I just want you to know that wasn't me. I don't know what happened. There's so much that you need to know.
There you are! You gave us quite a scare, young lady.
Not crazy lady, whatever. I'm controlling?
Catch me again.
Oh, no, sir. I don't like this. I don't like this, then. I do not. I don't like this. Door just closed in front of me. Don't care. I'm heading out. Who is your mother? I'm just running at this point.
I am sick and tired. Oh, sick and tired of you.
I need to hide. I need to hide.
Get back to your room right now!
So I wasn't supposed to get caught. What do I do? Here, anything?
I am sick and tired. Sick and tired of you.
Hide.
I need to hide. I need to
Yeah,
hide.
I got you. I'm hiding right here.
What have I done to deserve this except open my home and feed you? I don't understand you at all. This is a gift.
Quick turn again. And how do I quick turn? How do I quick turn? I already forgot how to quick turn. Close door, close door. Oh, what am I even doing here?
This house has seen more than you can imagine. And it knows. You just don't understand? Or is it that you just don't care? I know you and Zoe are plotting. I know you were scheming.
And I...
You've been a bad girl!
Bro. How can this old lady run that fast? Like, bro. Like, bro, she honestly run more faster than Ethan. And this dude is way more younger than her. Like, bro, what? Like, she really just dashed at me, bro. Where even am I? H2O. Ugh.
Think I don't know what you want to do with that boy, Ethan?
No, don't come over here.
She gone? She ain't gone yet. Bro, what is she doing?
I'll feed you to my babies and fertilize the garden with what was left.
Woman, you should not have any type of children, bro. She's still right there. Let's go. She gone?
We open our home. We open our hearts.
I don't care.
And what do you do?
Trying to escape? Can you, like, leave now? Like, please? Is she not gone? Use this. Let's go. Ugh, spider. I don't like spiders, so... Bro, please don't tell me it ain't no spiders in this game, bro. Right there. I kind of have it. I have to turn it. Move it up, bro. There we go. Let's get it. We are out of here. We are out. We are out. We're out. I'm gone. Crawl in right now. Bro, it's gonna be a jump scare or something, bro. I literally just have a big feeling it's gonna be a vicious jump scare.
She loves you. She wants us to be a family, goddammit. You! All you have to do is accept her gift! We love you! Why can't you see that? Embrace us! There are no unknowns here, and you are not paying attention!
God, this woman is on some other stuff. I'm out. I'm freaking out.
No! You don't try to take your family! There's no way out of there, Missy!
I don't care. Who's that?
Where do you think
Zoe, kick her. There we go. Run. Run, woman. Run. Stop looking at the camera. Turn around. And at this point, why am I even commenting on how strong they are at this point? Like, I'm pretty sure every one of them are strong, including that old woman right there. I don't know what type of virus, whatever, but that is a wrap. No, sir.
What did they do to you, Mia?
They did something. Who did that to them? Reporters say a storm is coming. I had a lot of trouble cleaning up after the last one a few years back. I guess it's time to reinforce the windows and store and sort up the roof. Maybe I'll get Lewis to help. The water has finally, since the house is all alright, but the old house was badly damaged. Lucius is making a fuss about a huge ship that's wasted up the bay. If that's true, I better report it to the. I'll go and check out. I think I already read that. So that was interesting. I'm very happy the old man didn't come in here while I was like looking at that. So thank you. So yeah. Oh yeah, that's shotgun. Please. Open door right now. Open door right now. Open. Crouch. Close door. Dude. Broken shotgun. Let's get it. Oh, wait, what? Wait, it's a broken shotgun, so yeah, I can literally switch that out now. Crouch. I'm tired of chasing all these crap heads about the yard. Around the yard. The next time one of our guests runs away, hide the dog head really so they can't get out of the house. Let's hide them like this. Living room. Whoa, the book in this room in the basement. So then the stairs that was going down to that little like place, that was the basement. That means one of those heads are in the basement and we can actually escape. Let's freaking go, bro. Thank you for that. So, cause like now I know it's over. I'm leaving this house. How have you been recently? It's been a long time since you came in for your little last checkup. I'm writing to tell you that I'll finish your x-rays. There are dark areas in your that seems to be mold. But is this talking about the old man? You said you've been hearing. So it's a type of mold? If yours are due to it must be removed before it's too late. I don't mean to scare you, but I am seriously concerned for your health. Please come to the hospital as soon as you read this letter. As your doctor, I strongly recommend you undergo future tests. So it's a type of mold that's like infecting them, and I'm pretty sure it's contagious. I'm like honestly, what is this? Okay. Wait, what room is this? And I am thinking is actually the father's. So yeah, it was a type of mold that infected them like that. I'm tired of chasing all. Oh yeah. Then I already read that. Oh, I got more. Bro, I got so much freaking like stuff in my inventory now, bro. Yo, man, I need another safe room real quick. You know. Yes, sir. Switch that. No. Gimme. Okay. Broken shot right there. Let's go. We got the freaking shotgun now, bro. And we actually got a bunch of shotgun shells that been saved up. Scorpion key. I think we still need the scorpion key, but I feel like we actually can hold out for the scorpion key for now. That's down. Down for shotgun. Okay. I'm gonna head automatically back to the safe room so I can get more bullets. And I feel like when we should be prepared to like go down like downstairs to that room. So let's freaking get it, dude. I'm ready for this. I'm for sure ready. Bro, let's get this freaking done. Shotgun bullets. Get it. I got my shotgun shells now, boy. Woo! You reloading the freaking shotty, buddy. It's over. I got a freaking shotgun, bro. What's good? You know what? To fully make sure I'm prepared, I'm actually gonna even heal, bro. I'm actually even gonna heal, bro. Like I'm not gonna get body how I was, bro. If I wasn't prepared. Let's get it. I got 3 of those. I should be fine. Let's get it. And I still got enough space to take a couple of things with me. So let's get this done, bro. I am ready for this. I'm fully ready. And look, the best part about it, we have a whole shortcut too, so we don't even have to run all the way back over there, bro. We can easily just take the small shortcut. Oh yeah, we literally just take the shortcut. Here we go. Honestly, don't know what's in that bev, but I kind of want to see what's in there. That just scared the freaking crap out of me. I'm not even gonna lie to you. More of that. You know what? Put the freak down. It should be one behind me, right? Doesn't matter. Who else? Come here. You're dead. Who else? You're dead. Who else? One more. Die. That's how we do it. I don't want to hear nothing from y'all, bro. That's how we freaking do it, bro. No more shotgun shells. Let's go. Reload. Fully reloaded. Okay. Ooh, bro, we are getting good stuff, bro. Bro, I actually haven't even got hit one time from him. Let's get it. Yeah, we are out. Let's go. Yes, sir. Open the freaking door. That's the head. We are out.
I was gonna be your father.
Dude, look what he did to the cops.
He will be your father. No. I will find him, and I will make him suffer. And you, my friend, will help me.
Bro, what's going on with the cop, bro? You see... Ugh. It's something moving on that cop, bro. Dude, I don't know what's going on with him, bro. Bro, what did... This dude on some different stuff, bro. I don't know, bro. I might even take my shotgun out. This dude is bugging. No, sir. More shotgun shells. Thank you. Okay, they kind of giving me a lot of stuff, bro. I don't know what's going to happen, but they giving me a lot of freaking stuff right now. And that usually don't be a good thing.
Poor deputy.
Like, bro, look what he did. Yeah, he has... I don't know what's going on with him, but, bro, it's time for me to leave out that room, bro. I am not feeling that at all. What is this? That's the head. We are out. Thank you. Cousin? Are you serious? I freaking knew it. I had a what type of freaking weapon is that? Oh my god, he just Woo. Wait. I can kick those? Ooh. I felt that. Come here, come here. Okay, can I kick these? Yes, sir. How you feel? You know what? Nah, skip this, bro. Knife. He is so freaking close, bro. I'm just missing shots, bro. I'm taking my shotgun out now.
You think you can hurt me?
Uh-huh. I missed. Whoa! I'm about to say, where the freak did you come from? Get the freak away.
It's only one.
What the freak is he doing? My chance! Oh my god! This dude got a freaking scissor. What even is that? I can get a chainsaw. I don't have enough space. This game is stop playing with me. Oh my back! My back meat! 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 Back up! Woo! You got a freaking sit the freak down. Sit the freak down. Ugh! I'm shooting it, don't care. Oh, I want the chainsaw! So sorry, I'm so sorry, but I have to do this. Take the item out of my inventory, bro. Don't care, yes. Woo! No, sir. Bro, I'm gonna get that chainsaw. I got the freaking chainsaw. Ooh. I'm feeling kind of different now. What's good? Do something. Oh my god, so scary. Come here. Come here real quick. Come here right here. Bag me. My bag me. Yes, sir. I can do that too. No. Yes, sir. I don't care. I don't care. I don't. Get this freaking done. Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! How we freaking do it? Ooh! Oh, he ain't playing. I gotta get serious too. I don't care. I don't care at this point, bro. I'm fully rushing. I don't care. I don't care. Come here. Heal! Don't care. Heal! Yes, sir! I don't care at this point, bro. I'm fully rushing. Woo. Come here. Let's go! Let's go! Ugh. He's still moving. Don't matter. You dead? Let's freaking go. That's how we freaking do it. Ugh.
Do me a favor and stay dead.
Yes, please. This dude really has... Bro, where is his weapon? Where is his weapon? I can't even find his weapon. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I don't even care at this point. Do we got the head? Let's get it. We got the head. We just folded this man like an omelet. I'm pretty sure he's gonna get back up. Cause like, dude, he literally got his head blowed off and he easily grown that back. So it doesn't even matter, bro. We are out. Break it. Do something. Yes, sir. Bro, we are really gonna have the chainsaw now, bro. I'm about to be messing them up. Come on. Are you freaking serious? Are you? Of course they won't let me have the chainsaw, cause they already know what I was gonna do, bro. I already just freaking bodied this man, so it's honestly whatever, bro. It's honestly whatever, bro. We still took the W. We still took the W. Let me just reload. We still took the W. At the end of the day, we are heading out. I'm leaving this house right now, buddy. We have all the heads. It's time for us to leave, bro. No, sir. Please don't let it be any type of monster, nothing over here, bro. I don't have time for them, bro. I don't. I'm trying to leave this place right now, bro. We are out. Who the freak is on there? The old lady was humming. You know what? You do you. I don't care. Safe room right here. Let's freaking go. Oh, let's freaking go, bro. That is such a W. We have the head. Oh, bro. We went crazy though, bro. We honestly went in. I'm kind of mad. I actually have to trash the them stuff to actually make like more stronger bullets, but bro, it's whatever, bro. We honestly still went out of there, bro. We still did it. We still did it. Save my game right now, bro. Woo! Clap it up, y'all. Clap it up. Clap it, bro. Clap the freak up, bro. We really just did that. Let's freaking go. All right, y'all. I'm gonna end the video right here, bro. This part right here, we really did our thing. Like, we was not playing no games at all. We actually did our thing this time. Besides that, y'all, subscribe, leave a like, and I'm literally about to head out. That was freaking amazing. Let's freaking go. I can't wait to do another part of this. Hopefully I can get another part of this out this week, or at least record it and then edit it like when I'm in Miami. Whatever. See y'all. Subscribe, leave a like, and I'm out. Peace. Yeah.